going to show you how to make a pancake.
So, there's some egg whites, oil, softened butter, some vanilla flavor, milk.
Daria, I think it's okay, it's enough to mix.
Mixy.
Now the mixture is ready. It's time to cook them in a pan. Okay, I'm going to take the pan out and put it here. We add some little bit of oil to make it greasy.
And so it doesn't stick.
Yeah. Okay, Daria, let's see. We just put it here. Make it as a roundy pancake and leave it. Now the singing mood is coming back.
Pancake, buttermilk pancake, they all come to one.
Oh my God, why is so white today? I think we have to.
Pancakes rule, woo!
What are you whispering, Daria?
Nothing.
You're saying bad things about my pancake?
Yeah.
See? Oh, see, it's brown now. Yes, good. Yes, this is ready. Can you give me the plate?
Okay, Captain. I can't see you, but I'm still gonna say okay.
I can't wait to put the next pancake because this one was the first one, as you said. Wasn't turned out to be very good. Put it on a board, please. 2 more. 1 is here. Okay.
That's pancake shit.
No.
It's a bit
What's
weird.
wrong? No. What's
It's
wrong with it?
I don't think that one's ready, but I think this
Yeah, I
one's
know.
ready.
I try to make it more round. That's the
Wait,
problem.
you can't because it's on the side.
I think this is ready.
Hopefully we're not gonna make that.
See?
Yes, the
Yes.
perfect pancake.
Yes, finally.
We did it.
Okay, this one now. I'm not gonna touch it. Let's turn the pan
That
this
one
side
kind of looks
because
like
this side
pretty.
is hotter.
Like burnt. Sometimes what I saw, like other people doing, I saw people pressing down with that thing.
With this one, like
Yeah.
this?
To make it get golden.
That's
Okay,
a good.
I think that one's done.
Yeah, that's a good tip, Chef Daria. Okay,
plate.
Can I have? Yes, that's nice. We
What
put
does
this
it look
here. No, don't touch it, Seth.
Oh.
It's nice.
That
Don't turn it over.
that one better stay down.
Okay, the last
What does it look like? What does it look like?
pancake.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one is
all
nice
right.
as well. That's all right. Okay. Now the pancakes are ready and they're ready to go to the lunchbox. Can you please go and get the lunchbox for me? We're going to put these and make it nice with the compliments we have here. And
Okay, Captain.
okay, we have honey and some nice fruits like peach and blueberries, orange for the compliments to put it in a lunchbox.
I'll get the actual cake.
Yes, yummy, look at this. Thank you, there
And
you
now some berries and fruit.
As you can see, our pancake is ready and Dario decorated in a nice way. Let's close it and put it in the back. Okay, nice. Now we pack it. We're done with this recipe.